In this video, I am going to show you how you can record all of your calls on your Pixel device or any other Android device. If you want to record your call, as we know that it's not possible to record our calls because in our dialer app, we don't have any option to record the call. Here I have a solution. With this, you can record your each and every call, including Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp calls also. You can record your every call by using this. For doing this, you are going to use an app. Let's go to the Play Store and search for Cube SCR. Here you will find this app. I will show you exactly step by step. You can record your every call including WhatsApp and Messenger calls with this. Let's install this and open this and do all the settings. Tap on open. Here you can see I am using this app and I have a lot call history here. Let's open WhatsApp and call someone. That it says automatic call recording is on. And that's also in Messenger. If you call anyone, then it will show you the notification. How to set up this app? I will show you each and every steps, and let me clear the app data. After installing, open the app. Here you will find this interface. Tap on next from the bottom and you have to grant all the permission, which is storage, microphone users permission, phone, contract, Bluetooth. Tap on grant permission and tap on while using the app and allow the permissions. Send you notification, make calls or manage calls, yes. In this option you can select yes or no thanks. I'm selecting no thanks. Here it's a premium app, you have to pay for it if you want to get all potential from it. With this app you have to install one more app, which is Cube SCR Helper. After installing this app will automatically suggest you to install the helper. Whenever you install the helper, it will automatically works in your phone. Whenever you call anyone, it will record your call automatically and you can access the recordings from here. Tap on here and you will find all the recorded files here. Friends, by this way, with the help of Cube SCR Call Recorder app, you can record your each and every calls here. Friend, if you have any problem installing this, you can feel free to inform me. I will help you to complete the installation and other functions. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.